Hey everyone, it's Luke from Weldpro, and I'm so glad to be back with you. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this MIG140 so you can see what comes inside. The first thing we'll pull out of the box is the instructions as well as the warranty card and a few accessories, including a sticker, an extra drive roll, and a shaded lens for your hood. The MIG140 also comes with a handheld filter system for quick welding applications. Next, you'll probably remove the actual MIG gun and cable itself. Inside the next video, we'll take apart the MIG gun and we'll show you exactly how to maintain it and to clean it if necessary. They've also included a small wire brush and chipping hammer combo. This is great for taking slag off of your welds. Speaking of slag, this kit is going to come with a spool of self-shielded wire so you can get started right away welding things around your home or shop. Next up, we have the stick welding lead and electrode holder, as well as the ground clamp. This is great because stick welding can be used in thicker applications where perhaps MIG isn't the best choice. The ground clamp has a robust spring and a copper bonding strap inside. This will ensure you get a high quality ground on your workpiece. The MIG140 also comes with a dual voltage adapter for 240 and 120 volts AC. And last but certainly not least is the MIG140 itself. This is a great little unit. As you can see by its ultra compact size, this is going to be so nice for working around tight spaces as well as out in maybe outdoor conditions or using a generator. The MIG140 has a beautiful yellow matte paint job all the way around. It's got adequate venting on the side and an easy access panel for easy wire changes and small machine maintenance. There's also a handy welding chart inside the door, so if you're lost in your settings, you can refer to that. With great educational resources, we hope you'll choose Weldpro. If you ever have any questions, comments, or anything of the like, please reach out to us. We love to hear from our customers, and we look forward to serving you in the future.